Okay, welcome viewers. Today I am going to present a question and answer program on business communication chapter 2. Let us go to the direction. The direction is choose the best answer. The first question is, what are 5 basic elements of communication process? A. Idea, feedback, medium, receiver, encoding. B. Sender, message, medium, receiver, feedback. C. Encoding, decoding, receiver, sender, noise. D. Symbols, feedback, message, sender, medium. The answer for this question is choice B. Sender, message, medium, receiver, feedback. Question number 2. What does the term encoding mean in the communication process? A. Deciphering the message meaning. B. Selecting appropriate receiver. C. Transforming an idea into symbol for communication. D. Transmitting the message to the receiver. The answer for question number 2 is C. Transforming an idea into symbols for communication. Question number 3. What is the basic function of feedback in communication? A. To transmit the message more effectively. B. To show the communication has been understood. C. To act as barrier in communication. D. To change the message meaning. The answer for question number 3 is B. To show that communication has been understood. Question number 4. Why is shared meaning critical to effective communication? A. It helps to overcome physical barriers. B. It enables that both parties interpret symbols similarly. C. It eliminates the need for feedback. D. It replaces verbal communication. The answer for this question is B. It ensures that both parties interpret symbols similarly. Question number 5. How does noise act as a barrier to communication? A. By causing the message to get lost. B. By distorting or blocking the intended message. C. By introducing new meanings into the message. D. By replacing verbal communication. The answer for question 5 is B. By distorting or blocking the intended message. Question number 6. If a manager chooses to send a message via email instead of verbally, what element of the communication process is the manager's focus on? A. Encoding. B. Medium. C. Feedback. D. Receiver. The answer for question number 6 is medium. Question number 7. A salesperson prefers face-to-face communication instead of memos to inform about the product updates. What principle does this approach really own? A. Selecting an appropriate channel. B. Eliminating noise. C. Encoding feedback into communication. D. Creating multiple messages. The answer for question 7 is A. Selecting appropriate channel. Question number 8. Analyze the difference between denotative and connotative meaning in communication. A. Denotative meaning are formal dictionary definitions, while connotative meaning are personal and emotional. B. Connotative meaning are fixed and denotative meaning are evolving over time. C. Denotative meaning relate to visuals, while connotative meaning relate to sounds. D. Denotative and connotative meaning are always identical. The answer for question number 8 is A. Denotative meaning are formal dictionary definition, while connotative meaning are personal and emotional. Question number 9. What could be a barrier if a sender's intended meaning is not understood due to ambiguous words? A. Channel selection. B. Semantic barrier. C. Feedback loop. D. Medium distortion. The answer for question number 9 is B. Semantic barrier. Question number 10. Evaluate the following statement. An effective message should contain all the information available on a topic. A. True, as completeness avoid misunderstanding. B. False, as too much information can overwhelm the receiver. C. True, as receiver can pick relevant parts. D. False, as background information is not necessary. The answer for question number 10 is B. False, as too much information can overwhelm the receiver. Question number 11. What would indicate that feedback in communication hasn't been effective? A. The receiver rephrased the original message correctly. B. The sender has to resend the message with clarification. C. The medium caused slightly delayed. D. The receiver acknowledged the message without change. The answer for question 11 is B. The sender has resent the message with clarifications. Question number 12. How can an organization create a system to reduce communication gaps? A. Use a single communication medium across all channels. B. Develop regular feedback session for message clarity. C. Avoid feedback mechanism to save time. D. Create detailed reports without considering employees' role. The answer for question number 12 is B. Develop regular feedback session for message clarity. Question number 13. Design an approach for addressing semantic barrier in communication. A. Increase complexity of the language. B. Define ambiguous terms explicitly in advance. C. Reduce message lengths at all times. D. Use jargon and technical terms freely. The answer for question number 13 is B. Define ambiguous terms explicitly in advance. Question number 14. Which strategy ensures intercultural communication effectiveness in a global workplace? A. Avoid technology for message transmission. B. Provide cultural sensitivity training. C. Relying on nonverbal gestures exclusively. D. Focus on low context communication only. The answer for question number 14 is provide cultural sensitivity training. Choice B. Question number 15. What would be the best approach for minimizing barrier caused by information overload? A. Send all information at once to prioritize efficiency. B. Break down the information into manageable paths over time. C. Ignore detailed descriptions altogether. D. Share technical jargon for brevity. The answer for question number 15 is B. Break down the information into manageable parts over time. Question number 16. How can you ensure that your message aligns with an audience-centered approach? A. By ignoring the audience emotions. B. By tailoring content to match audience knowledge and context. C. By using only formal language in all communication. D. By relying on one-way communication methods. The answer for question number 16 is B. By tailoring content to match audience knowledge and context. Question number 17. If a receiver misinterprets a critical business email due to emotional distress, how should the sender act? A. Stop further communication. B. Send another email with the same details. C. Use follow-up discussion to clarify. D. Ignore the misinterpretation. The answer for question number 17 is use follow-up discussion to clarify. Question number 18. What factors determine the selection of communication channel in a critical situation? A. Speed and audience needs. B. Location of message sender. D. Decoding skills of the message. D. Cultural background of the sender only. The answer for question number 18 is speed and audience needs. Question number 19. How does adopting ethical communication benefits an organization? A. Increase legal consequence and delays. B. Enhance trust and promotion transparency. C. Remove all form of feedback. D. Focus only on sender's priority. The answer for question number 19 is B. Enhance trust and promote transparency. Question number 20. Which practice improve feedback quality in communication? A. Ignoring recipient's reaction. B. Structuring feedback around the receiver's performance. C. Using general statement without specific detail. D. Avoid face-to-face interaction. The answer for question number 20 is B. Structuring feedback around the receiver's performance. Okay, viewers, this is all about question and answer for chapter 2. Thank you.